Ka nong ba Shillong kala shim ya ka sin jam ba kong san ha ka liang ka let ka wan da ka jing pli ya ka Ride Shillong ka jing pynshlur ya ka jing pedan kampat ba da ki electric bicycle sharing ka batmu ban kin tiu ya ka jing adai ba jan bat ka maryang ha ka let ka wan ka jing pynduna ya ka jing khapngiah kali bat pynshlur ya ka rukam ka ba koit ba kya u menteri rang ba ka jala u Conrad ki sangma haringkat u aktor ba pakhmat kari u badiru unong pensapriang halur ka koi kya u milen soman ha ka khat artrik nailar kila kawe lama ya ka ning sinjam batmai haringkat ka jingadan lang ki ofsar sorkar bat ki nongnya cycle na keleng ka nongba kani ka sinjam balashim da ka sorkar Meghalaya da ka jingo I jingai na ka benta ki patba ki bayat kejan bat ki nongnya cycle ka bala pentre kam bat a jingashan da ka Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs GIZ India Germany Cooperation Meghalaya Tourism bat ka Green Urban Mobility Partnership ha ka jingkren u menteri rang ba ulapun pau ka jing sarong ban yo pli ka ni ka project ka ba penya biang lang ha pedeng ka jing penne pensa ya ka maryang ba ka jing bit jing biang ha ka let ka wan kat kum ka ni ka juk ka ba menta ka sngi ka long palat ban ya ka jing pli ya ka ni ka let ka wan ka ba thamai Henry ka de ka jing sdang halor kum nu ngi perkhat ha ka baya de bat ka let ka wan ha ka sorba jongi ulaong ka jinglong ki jaka ha ka nong ba Shillong barabor ka bu ha ka jing ban nya ki cycle tenrai Henry lingba ki ni ki electric cycle ngilala ban weng ki ni ki jing kani amtang bakan pynshlur ki brio bakin nya cycle Henry ru ban pynduna ya ka jing penmi carbon bat pensuk ya ka let ka wan ha ka nong ba u Conrad u pynshlur ru ekipat ba kenthop ya ki samla puli ki riu shampang bat ki nongwan shangkai ban pelong ya ka jingnya cycle kum ka benta ka badai ban le man la ka sngi khnang ban pelong ya ki surak ka sor Shillong ki bakluit ka jing penyo ya ka le er ka bakhuit bat na ka benta ka kot ka kya jong ki nong shong stong na kalyang u Commissioner and Secretary ka Urban Affairs u Dr. Vijay Kumar ula ong bakan ka sinjam kan penyaso bat ka jing persyang ban pelong ya ka sor Shillong ka bala banyak kejan bat ka baya day bat ki nongnya cycle gidang penwandor thamai ki surang penhe ki lenti yai kejan bat penroy ki lenti yai cycle kane ka day ka rukam trikam ka bapura na ka benta ka jingai lenti hasar bat ka Ride Shillong ka day ka benta ba kongsan jong kani ulaong kumju na kalyang umilen suman ula ay ka jingaro ya ka sinjam ka ban ay mensim na ka benta ka rukam ka bakoit bakya ka jingnya cycle kam day ka babha tang na ka benta ka perthei ka bangi Henry ka penkala ya ka koit ka kya bat ka bha ka met jongphi ka Shillong ka pen iya ka nuksa ya kari India barok ka wei kumno banyalam da ka nuksa ulaong ha ka ni ka sngi la pelong ru da ka cycle rally na Elephant Falls Shamau Plang ka cycling heritage rally hapo ka nongba da ka jinga shim benta ki officer sorkar ki riu nya cycle bat ki wei
This entire concept of Ride Shillong, where we're going to give public electric bicycles to people, which means it's publicly owned and people will just rent it and use it. And these are all electric bicycles, and hence even in a kind of uphill, you don't have to pedal so much. There will be electric system to support you. So it's a very, very good technology, and it's very, very good for a place like Shillong. And anybody of any age can actually use this. While I was cycling right now, I didn't have to pedal much. I was using the different levers and the gears, and that gave enough power where I could move with the power of the engine, the electric engine, and it made it very simple. This, as you know, is a part of a larger project and larger vision to make Shillong a walkable and a cyclable kind of a city where people don't have to use motor vehicles. So we're trying to minimize the usage of motor vehicles. We're trying to encourage people to use electric vehicles, electric cycles. Very soon we're coming out with a scheme for electric taxis also. We'll be getting the first installment of about 50 electric buses that are coming up. And obviously we are working towards increasing the pedestrian area, the walking area, so that people can walk more. Shillong is definitely a walkable city, and hence most of the locations you can reach without having to use a vehicle. You can simply walk to them. Problem is the space is not there for them to walk, and hence we are working towards that. at a larger goal. And this is, as I said, one step towards that, to make, as I said, electric vehicles and other forms of mobility, which is non-motor vehicles, to be utilized more in Shillong. And then, of course, we wanted to expand to other parts of the state, like Jawai and Tura, Nongstoin, and other places also.
This is a great initiative. It's a great first step to start this public electric bicycle sharing system. And I hope that all the infrastructure changes that they've spoken about, which are very exciting, I hope they all come true very, very soon. I wish the government of Meghalaya all the very best, and also their partners, GIZ, the German partners. I think if they work well together, and of course with the support of the citizens of Meghalaya and the citizens of Shillong, I think Shillong is going to be a heaven on earth like it used to be years ago. Shillong can be a walkable city. It is the size to be a very, very good walkable city. And as you have asked, this one initiative, of course, cannot change everything. It has to be together with public support also, change in infrastructure also. As the Honorable Chief Minister mentioned, that the government offices will also move outside to less congested area. All these things coming together will really change the face of Shillong. And again, I'd like to say, I've been coming to Shillong for almost 30 years. And I've seen the change. It's become very, very like a big city, like Bombay, which is something that I don't like. I would like to see Shillong as it was beautiful before, a walkable city where people have a sustainable, healthy, fit lifestyle, and you can enjoy the beauty of Meghalaya and the beauty of Shillong and its roads and the weather, and just enjoy your life here.